Hey guys, I'm Matt. This is the MacBook Pro 16-inch, the M1 Max. The chip is and the RAM is 64 gigabyte, and the storage is the 4 terabyte. This is a powerful machine, and you can see the GPU 32 cores, and the battery 96. Okay, so this is a powerful machine. The condition no problem, only the shining oily. The backlight keyboard, no problem. Okay, and you can see the top cover, no scratches only here. Minor scratch, yes. And let me show you the back cover, no scratches. The back cover, and let me show you the charging port, no problem. And let me show you the other side. Too heavy. Okay, this is a beautiful machine, and let me show you the display. Okay, I changed the wallpaper. Okay, change the wallpaper. Now you can see the display, no problem. No bright spot, no dark spot. Okay, this is dust, not the screen problem. And let me change another color. The red color, you can see the red color. No problem. The beautiful red color. Okay, the beautiful machine. Okay, no problem. And we have a lot of different models. You can check out the price on my website. Now you can see my website is you can click the menu here, and you click the MacBook Pro 16-inch, and you will see this machine. And you can see a lot of different models. And I will upload this machine on the website. Okay. And now let me show you this price and this laptop. Let me show you the specification one more time. Okay, this is the M1 Max 64 gigabyte and 4 terabyte. This is 96%. And let me show you the price. Okay. Okay, this is the price. This is the price. This is the US dollars, and this is the Europe. This is the HK dollars. This is GPT, and you can contact me which country I can exchange the currency for you. Okay, and also in the future I will upload more video about the MacBook. Okay, and now you can see this is the M4 Max 36 to 1 terabyte. Okay, this is also a powerful machine. Later I will shoot this. Okay, this is a beautiful machine.